Is Facebook not working on your device? Don't worry, here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you get it running smoothly again. Step 1. Check the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the app can resolve the issue. Update the app. Head to your App Store and check if there's a newer version of Facebook available. Step 2. Clear Facebook's cache and data. Go to your phone settings. Tap General. Navigate to iPhone Storage. Search for and select the Facebook app. Tap Offload App, then Confirm. This won't delete your data, it just clears temporary files and can fix bugs or glitches. Once offloaded, tap the app again to reinstall it. Step 3. Try additional fixes. Restart your device. A fresh reboot can sometimes solve hidden issues. Disable VPNs or ad blockers. These might interfere with how Facebook runs. Check if Facebook is down. Visit a site like Down Detector to see if the issue is global. And that's it. Your Facebook app should now be working as expected.